Hi guys, it's Jenna and I'm back with another unboxing of Boxycharm. And I was one of the lucky ones to get Boxyluxe. And it's bittersweet because I know so many people were upset that they couldn't get one. And I know people were trying and trying to get one. And because of the site crashing, um, a lot of people couldn't and they got placed on the wait list. And since I'm on the West Coast, I had to get up. I set my alarm for 5:30 in the morning, just so I can be up at 6 o'clock and be on the site and ready to upgrade. And it took me 2.5 hours, almost 2.5 hours, just to get through to the confirmation. Um, and the whole time I was thinking I wasn't gonna get it, and I was just freaking out until I finally saw you got the box. So I was excited. But then I heard everybody, a lot of people didn't get it and a lot of people were upset. And so I felt bad. But I'm excited to show you guys what's in the Boxyluxe. And then for comparison, I got one of my old boxes just to show you the size. And this box is heavy. Look how much bigger it is than that. So I'm excited to see what's in here. I just got today. They were supposed to come here tomorrow, and so I wasn't expecting it all until I got a knock and I opened the door and there it is on my doorstep. So I'm really excited to open this, and I already opened it because I started filming and then messed up, and so this is take two. And that's what it looks like inside. And there's the little card that they send you with every box. But this time it's bigger. And there's the coupons. And it says Luxy ProTools Collection. Limited edition 3-piece Pro Tool face set exclusively, oh my god, I cannot talk, for Boxycharm. Available for $55, and it's valued over $105. So that's cool. And then when you open it, it shows you what products you have in your box and the list of all the products and what they retail for. So I'm going to set that right there. And this is what it looks like. Lift it. Oh my god. This is what it looks like on the inside. So the first thing I'm going to grab is the Nightingale palette by Pretty Boulder. And that's what it looks like. It's a really, really pretty palette, and I like that. It looks like a bird cage. I mean, that's really cool. But a couple of these look swatched already, and one of them is like popping out. So this one right here and that one look like they've been swatched, and I think it's that one that looks like it's popping out. So I'm kind of bummed that, somebody, and now they look like it, that one's got something right there. So it kind of sucks because I was really looking forward to, swatching this to show you guys what the colors look like and everything. But I'm going to have to send a picture to Boxycharm and hopefully get a new one that hasn't been swatched. So I'm bummed about that one. And that one retails for $35. And next is the Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick. I haven't used this, and I haven't heard of this product since Boxycharm. So I'm excited to, I hope it's a good color. It says it's in the color Rebel Raisin, and it's a semi-matte. 97% comfortable to wear, 94% lips look naturally fuller, and 94% didn't steam. So this should be interesting. I hope I like the color though. So that's what it looks like. I gotta position it. Okay. Let's see. It looks like a pretty color, and that's what the applicator looks like. So I'm gonna swatch it because I like this color. Let's see. It's definitely color for fall. That's for sure. So I'm excited to try it. I always like trying new brands, especially like figure out if you like it or not, and you only pay for the box to get it, and you don't have to pay for the one thing, and that retails for $25. So I would never pay $25 for a lipstick at all. I shop at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Walmart, sometimes Target. So that's definitely pricey for me. Next up is Luxy Airbrush foundation brush, and the handle is really soft, and I like the indentation in the handle, so it gives you like a marker of where to hold the brush. I don't typically use foundation brushes. I use like a sponge or beauty blender, so I'll give it a try and see how I like it. And then that retails for $38. And next up is the LMR Ojitos brushes, and it's an eye brush set, and they have, let's see, so it comes with the 3 brushes, and this is let's see, it says let's see, the flat painter brush is this one, and it applies color onto your, is it this one? This one, sorry. I apparently don't know my brushes today. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy oh my god, I cannot talk today. The fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly, oh my god, why are these words like confusing to me? Simultaneously blend colors together, and then the flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. It says boxy tip. Spray the tip of your brush with your Smashbox primer water for an extra pop to your shimmery eyeshadow. And these retail for $18. So I'm excited because we got the palette, the LMR palette volume 1 in June's box. And I absolutely love that palette. So I'm happy we got the brushes to go along with it. And I can always use more brushes. And then next up is the R&Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. So this retails for $17. And the spray, it doesn't smell bad. I actually like that smell. It says Death Valley is the quickest way to get volume and body into your hair. Give your hair a shot of Death Valley whenever you want, and it will liven right up. I love dry shampoo, so that will definitely come in handy. I'm excited about that. Let's see, it says Boxy tip. Give your hair volume by spraying this product close to your roots and massaging with your fingers. Add instant volume and thickness to your hair on the go with your new R&Co travel size dry shampoo. The vitamin E and antioxidant rich formula nourishes your hair, restoring luster and shine as it absorbs excess oil from your roots. So that is nice for me, at least. I'm excited about that. And then you open it up, and there are more goodies in there for you. Put that over there. And this is the Girl Lactic. Hi. I was kind of hoping for the Laura Geller blush because I like the blush a little bit more, but I'm excited to try this out and give it a try. And this is, it retails for $26. It's expensive. And that's what it looks like. It looks really pretty. I'm going to swatch the shades for you guys. So that's what it looks like. That is really pretty. So, you know, I'm kind of glad I got it because I get to try something new. Even though I wanted a blush, I'm not complaining at all about that. And it says, Boxy tip, dab onto the highest points of your face to give you the absolute glow. So it's a skin glow duo. And then next up we have, oh, there we go. Of course, I'm going to find a more difficult way to open this up. So there's a little opening. And it's a really cute little tote that says Totes a Charmer and has the Boxycharm logo on it. So I can definitely use this when I go out. Like if I go to the pool with my son, I can take that with us, or I'd say to the beach. I don't live by the beach anymore because I just moved, so that's kind of bummy. And then underneath all that, there's more products. So it's like Christmas morning for me today. This is like Christmas to me as an adult. And next up we got the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. So I'm excited about this. I've been trying to like find anti-wrinkle stuff, like the anti-aging, especially now. Like I want to start young. So I'll try this. And I don't have any serums. I'm trying to stock up on my makeup now, and skin stuff. And so that's what it looks like. This retails for, let's see, where is it? There it is. $80. $80 for this. That's crazy. I would never pay $80 ever. Let's see. Boxy tip, use before your primer for a flawless makeup application. So let's see. I like that it has like a little pump. Pumped out a little bit too much. So it goes on nicely. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm really excited about this. But that's what I like about Boxycharm, is that you can get these like expensive products and try them out without paying that price. So that makes me happy. And then next up is a Panama Sunset Glow Oil from Sol de Janeiro, and this is what made me get the Boxyluxe, because I've been wanting to try it, and we got the Bum Bum Cream in June, so I love the Bum Bum Cream. It smells amazing. So this is what it looks like. And then it's a really cool bottle. And it has another lid, so it's leak proof. Won't leak, which is nice, especially when you travel. And I'm going to be doing not a lot of traveling, but I'll be going from here back to California to visit family. So I'm excited I can get this seal off. Okay, maybe if I use my scissors, it might not be a smart idea, but that was definitely not a smart idea. I just dropped the whole box. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm hoping everything's okay. Okay, this looks really dangerous. I'm gonna do it over here. Okay. So yeah, not the smartest idea. I would not do that ever. Let's see. Ooh, it smells really good. I got some on my hand. Let's see. Let's see. So that's what it looks like when I put some on my finger. I'm gonna swatch on this hand. And that gives you a really pretty glow. And I like that it's perfect for my skin tone. And it's not too dark. So I'm really excited for this one. I'm so happy to get this product. I've been wanting it. I also want their spray. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I don't edit my videos at all, so whatever happens on camera happens in real life. So now that I got my box back with me, hopefully this is okay. It should be fine. It's in a nice box. This is the Park Avenue Princess palette from Tarte. Let's see. Okay. It's a really pretty case. I love it. I like it's like a crocodile, alligator print. And I like the lettering on it. The little cover came right out. I'm kind of bummed about this one too. Now that I look at this one, it's been swatched by somebody. So let's see, that one, this one, and I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, and that one all have been swatched, or somebody's nail got in it. So I'm really bummed about that one. I'm gonna have to let them know about that too. But this is, it says chiseled like a diamond. You can see my messy table. So I have a contour palette from them that I got from Fabfitfun. So I don't want to swatch that one right now. I'm gonna save that for later. Plus, I have to take a picture for Boxycharm and let them know about that, because that sucks when you spend so much money for a box, and especially being the first Boxyluxe box, the Boxyluxe box. You know, you want everything to be nice, and okay, I'm gonna take the last two and put it over here so it doesn't fall again. So that sucks. Okay, and this is Smashbox Photo Finish Centering Citrus. And then, oh, the Sol de Janeiro retails for $35. And the Park Avenue Princess is $45. It's crazy expensive. This is in Centering Citrus. So I was also really excited for this because I wanted to try it out too. Let's see. I actually like that smell. I don't know, I'm more like a citrus person with my sprays. Let's see. I like that smell though. So I'm excited to try that out. And then the last thing in the box is this little headband. And you can use this when you take off makeup or when you're doing your washing your face or using like a sheet mask or something. Let's see. Mess up my hair. But the one thing I can try is this. So it gets everything out of your face and keeps it covered so that way you don't get anything in your hair. And I like that. It's really cute. So I'm excited for this. This retails for $4.99. Just not that bad. So I'm excited. That's it. Oh, the lipstick, I guess I got an itch and I wiped off the lipstick. I'm gonna actually try the lipstick on for you guys. So I'm excited to try it. I'm excited for fall. My birthday is in fall. Halloween. I always take my son trick-or-treating. Let me grab the Let's see. So I got some on my freaking face from when I rubbed it off my hand. It's not going as planned. But right away I feel the tingling from the lipstick. But it's not too bad. I know I did a terrible job applying that. It doesn't go on that great, which kind of sucks. Because I like the color. I do like this color on me. So I'm going to try and use it some more, hopefully. But the tingling doesn't really bug me. I've tried other lip plumpers that the tingling's a lot worse. I tried one from Tarte. I'm still unpacking, and I finally put up the table, and I of course put everything on my table. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.